Hi everybody, my name is Maria Inostroza from the Film and Technology Seminars at LA Stars. In this video, I am going to show you a full introduction to Zoom and how to use it for your online synchronous and asynchronous teaching. Before getting into the program, I would like to give you some quick tips for your online quality teaching. Choose a space that has a good light. Have a proper background behind you. Look and dress properly, same as if you were at school in front of your students. Be mindful with background noises. Keep cell phone away or in silent mode. Keep pets away as well. Just make sure nothing will interrupt your teaching. For better quality sound, you can use regular headphones with microphone. If you don't have one, you can do it without it. Just make sure you are in a quiet place. Okay, let's start with the program. First, you will need to create an account in Zoom. Your students don't need to create one. You simply send the link to them and they will be able to access. So go to zoom.us and sign up for free. With your email address, Zoom will send you a link to activate your account. Once your account is activated, you will be directed to this welcome page. Create a password and click Continue to log in into your Zoom account. Once in your account, go to the left bar, go to the Meetings, and then click on Schedule a new meeting. Then we set up our meeting. We write the topic, the title, lesson, test. Then you set up the date and time of the meeting. Then you have the duration of your meeting. I'm going to keep it to 1 hour. Make sure you have the right time zone. Mine is Pacific time. The meeting ID, Zoom will generate it automatically. Then you can set up a meeting password. For now, I'm going to uncheck that because with the meeting ID is enough. For the video settings, I will keep off both the host and the participant because if you get 10, 15, 20 students and they go with their webcams, this might slow down a lot the quality of the Zoom. Then you have the audio settings, keep both telephone and computer audio. Lastly, we have meeting options. I will enable join before host for the students. But if you have a class, let's say it's from 1 to 2 and 2 to 3, one after the other, I will enable waiting room rather than join before host because the students won't be able to join until you are finished. Okay, ready? Click on save. Once you do that, you will have the link to the webinar to send it via email to the students where it says join URL. Copy the invitation. This will have the information and the join meeting URL. Copy it and email it to your students. Now you can start your meeting. Go to the Meetings tab, find your meeting and click on Start. If you're running the program for the first time, Zoom will be automatically downloaded for you. Keep in mind that the download and the installation of Zoom might take few minutes, so don't do it right before starting your class. Have time to download and install it in your computer. Okay, and now before starting your session, you will be prompted to test microphone and the speakers. To test the microphone, click on Test Mic and see if the volume indicator is blinking. Okay, this is recording. I'm testing the microphone. Okay, if you hear yourself, means that the microphone is working. Very good. Now let's test the speaker. Click on the button and make sure you can hear the sound. Great, everything is working. Now close this window and open Zoom. Click on Join with computer audio. Very good. Now you are in the teacher's room. Once in your room, go to the lower bar and click on Manage Participants. If you don't see this bar, roll over with the mouse in this area and it will appear. You will see the participants up to the right side. Next to each participant are the microphone and video commands. Remember that I set it off to start the class, but this is not enough. You have to do it one more time, mute all video and microphone because the students might have some controls on their end. Now you are in control. Then right below we have the chat. Let's type a message for everyone. Okay, hello everyone. And click return to send it. So everybody in your class will see this message. You can also send a chat to a specific person. Click on the arrow in the blue button and choose the person who you want to send the message to. In the lower bar, we also find our microphone control, the video control, and the share button. Let's activate our video. Click on the button to start. Hello, how are you? Here I am, I'm greeting my students and now I'm going to stop the video and do something else. Okay, let's share the screen with them. Click on Share button and this will show all the windows and files that are opened in your computer. I'm going to show a PDF and go over a lesson. Then I will go back and show a page from the internet. So let's do it step by step. Let's start sharing the PDF. Select the PDF and click on Share. Okay, I'm here, I'm sharing my PDF with my students. I go over the lesson. Everything that I do on the screen will be seen by the students. When I'm done, I go to the red button to stop sharing. Then I will share the second document, which is the web page on my browser. I repeat the same process. Click on Share, choose the web page that I bookmarked in my browser, open it, and here we are. I'm sharing a web page that has some videos. Be mindful to play them. Sometimes it can slow the connection. Please test this before you give your class. So this is it. When you are done, click on Stop Sharing. You can also record your lesson going to the Record button. Click on that and here you can see the command that is recording. Once you are done, click on Stop Recording. The recording will be saved as an MP4 file and you can save it locally in your computer. Something very important about the recording is that the student also has the recording button. So to avoid recordings without your permission, set it up in your account. Go to Settings, click on Recording and make sure that you have checked Host can give participants the permission to record locally. So when a student wants to record your class, you will receive a message asking for permission. Before you start working with breakout rooms, it is a good idea to check if it's on in your account. Go to Settings. On the Meeting tab, scroll down until you find In Meeting, Advanced, Breakout Room. Turn it on. Now come into the meeting and click on the breakout room icon. In the pop-up window, you will see how many participants you are going to assign to the rooms. Let's say I have 20 participants and you're gonna decide how many rooms. Let's say 5, 4 on each room. Set it automatically, which means the student will be automatically placed in their rooms. As soon as I click on Create Breakout Rooms, they will be moved to their rooms. Now I have my 5 breakout rooms. I will have 4 students on each. Now click on Options. Some of the options are very important. First of all, if you always want to put the students automatically, choose this option. Sometimes you want to do it manually, don't choose this option. Then we have allow participants to return to the main session at any time. I will leave this on for adults only. For young learners, I might not do it. Then I have breakout rooms close automatically after certain minutes. You can set it up later depending on your lesson. Let's say if you are testing the students into a specific time frame. This one is very important to have a countdown until you bring them back into the main room. You are warning your students that you're about to close the breakout room, let's say in 15 seconds, because it's not a good idea if you close the room and suddenly you are in the main room. Okay, let's get back now with this example and see how it works. I opened all group tabs. I can broadcast a message. I can send a message to all the groups. I can join, and suddenly you will find yourself in that room. Remember that you will always be in the main room. So I can join, see them on the screen if they have the webcam on, see what is going on, give them support, feedback, etc. And I can leave at any time. Close all rooms for everybody to come to the main room. Okay, this is it. A full introduction to Zoom for your online teaching. Thank you for watching.